Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and welcome back to my channel The English Planet. So today in this video we're going to learn the word adore. So as it's a verb, so it has three different forms. So first form is adore, second form is adored, and third form is also adored. Now let's look at the meaning. So the meaning of this word is to strongly express our love and respect, and also to admire, honor, cherish, look up to and worship someone or something. So we can use this word for both living and non-living. Now let's hear the pronunciation. In British they pronounce it as adore, and in American they pronounce it as adore. So there is the difference of the letter R. Now let's understand it better with the help of some simple and easy sentences. So the first sentence is Emma adores her mother. So it means like basically she loves her mother, she admires and she respects her mother. Now let's look at the second sentence. So the second sentence is, doesn't your daughter adore eating chocolate? It means like, doesn't your daughter love eating chocolate? So probably that's the favorite thing of her daughter to eat. Now let's look at the third sentence. Third sentence is, Monika adores nature. It means like Monika loves nature. She loves being in nature. Now the fourth sentence is, Amit adores animal. So he loves animal, he respects animal, and he probably doesn't even eat them. Now let's look at the fifth sentence. So the fifth sentence is, did she adore painting as a child? Means like did she love painting as a child? Was it her hobby or something? So these were 5 amazing examples of the verb adore. So I hope you understand. Now as you can see on my screen, we are going to see how we can use the word adore as an adjective, an adverb, or as a noun. So let's see some sentences and understand it better. So first we are going to look at the word adoring, which is an adjective. So the first sentence is, she has adoring eyes. It means like she has beautiful eyes, lovely eyes. So the next sentence is, it is an adoring view. So means like it is a beautiful view. Now let's look at the second word, which is an adjective, which is adorable. So the first sentence is, they have an adorable daughter. It means like they have a very beautiful, cute little daughter. So the next sentence is, your pet is adorable. It means like your pet is very cute, tiny, lovely. Okay. So let's look at the next word. Next word is adoration, which is a noun. So the first sentence is, she looked at me with adoration. It means like she looked at me with love in her eyes. So now the next sentence is, they can clearly see his adoration for his pet. It means they can clearly see his love for his pet, his passion for his pet. I hope you understood this one also. Now the next word is adorably, which is an adverb. So the first sentence is, the baby was trying to eat adorably. Means the baby was trying to eat. So when he was eating, the baby looked adorable. Okay, it means this. So the next sentence is, they were cheering for their daughter adorably. Means they were cheering for their daughter in a very cute, very nice, loving manner. Very exciting as well. Okay. Now, so the last word is adoringly, which is also an adverb. So the first sentence is, my parents looked at me adoringly when I reached home after 5 years. So probably the child was out somewhere, like he was working somewhere, and when he returned after 5 years, so parents were like very happy. They had love in their eyes, so they were looking at the boy very adoringly. I hope you understood. Now the last sentence is, they talked adoringly about their marriage. It means like whenever they talk about their marriage, they remember all the love, they remember all the amazing, beautiful moments from the past. So that's why they talk always very adoringly about their marriage. So I hope you understood the word adore and the multiple uses of adore as an adjective, as an adverb, and as a noun as well.